Coffee.
Boot. Okay, I'll stop there. Hey Doodles, we are at the boyfriend's house once again this weekend. He shaved his head.
All by myself.
Today we thought we would try to make various items that usually aren't made with coffee. So we are going to make 3 different items. We're going to make Jello with coffee. We're going to make ramen with coffee. And we're going to make cereal with coffee. And we will see, can it coffee?
What have we created?
Slime. Ew. So the first thing we're going to try is cherry Jello made with hot coffee and cold coffee instead of water. Looks like Jello.
It looks interesting. I'm a fan of all things sugar and coffee, so hell, I'll give it a shot.
It actually smells pretty good.
Actually, it does.
It smells really good. It smells like Black Forest cake.
In terms of scent, I think we're onto something.
Kind of like chocolate, because like cherry and coffee.
Yeah,
together.
but yesterday it kind of smelled like cherry and socks. Wet socks. But today it's got that nice Black Forest, so science.
So
That's what's up.
Something good happened overnight.
Yeah.
This isn't the best scooping tool.
The power of the spoon.
I'm trying to show them.
Oh.
That was a sound.
Take that, couch. That looks awesome. I'm gonna go from the bowl.
I'm not eating. Oh, I'm eating like a bite, so. Oops, sorry. I'll clean it after. Oh, okay.
Definitely doable. I mean, feels like the cherry and the coffee's trying to struggle for dominance.
It has this bitterness at the end, obviously from the coffee. That's not pleasant.
Oh. I'm gonna keep going.
I'm tasting it one more time. It almost tastes like a little medicinal.
And if you look at the bottom of the bowl, it looks like the coffee kind of settles lower.
Oh, gross. You can see like granules.
Look at that.
I don't like it.
It's definitely got a stronger coffee flavor towards the bottom.
It's not the worst thing ever made, but
Is it something I would do again?
I mean, it seems like it since you're eating like the whole bowl.
And you'd be so revved up, I'm gonna jump out the friggin' window.
Do you like it though?
Actually, I don't mind it. It's got that awkward medicinal taste to it, but if you're a freak like me...
Gross. I don't know, I guess we disagree, because for me, this is like a no. It can't coffee. I mean, like, logistically it could.
It works.
So it's a mix on that one.
I'm gonna finish it.
Okay. Next, we are going to do ramen with coffee. Shin ramen. Spicy.
Gourmet spicy.
Ramen noodle. How are you feeling? Because you just had that whole bowl of Jello.
Yeah, feeling alright. Might catch me doing some backflips or some cartwheels. I'm good to keep going.
Gonna see like a Ryan-shaped hole in the wall.
Catch me running down the street in my bare feet. You can see some of that coffee goodness.
And now we wait for 3 minutes. So that weather today. Still snowing?
Yes. Oh, we're still recording.
Okay. Looking good. Yeah. I don't know. Coffee adds a certain potency to the scent.
It just smells like less ramen-y ramen.
I don't know if this is gonna be good.
Oh, absolutely not. Ladies first.
Okay. Oh wait, what do they say? Itadakimasu.
That. Is that the face of approval?
No. Okay, you try.
Okay. All right.
And then we'll talk about it.
Are we okay? Mentally? thoughts in the comments. Ow. Whoa.
I thought it was good at the beginning, but then right at the end, it gets really bitter. It's like physical reaction bitter.
Ask me how it was.
How was it?
Terrible.
Okay.
That black coffee-ness, that boldness really sticks to the noodles. It just tastes like you're chewing on the bottom of a black cup of coffee.
The first sensation I had was like, oh, this is okay. But then it was not good. Like, it tricks you in the beginning.
You save time, you're on your lunch break, you gotta scramble. Yeah. Throw some coffee in with your ramen, right?
Kill two birds with one stone. Wow.
Like showering and taking a crap at the same time. Not a good idea.
Also like that because, like, why would you want to?
I had a lot of coffee today.
Can it coffee? No.
That as well.
It can't coffee.
No. But it could save time.
Last but not least, we are going to try cereal. We're going to do one bowl with black coffee and then one bowl with like coffee plus coffee creamer. This stuff. I'm curious to try this cereal just period. French Toast Crunch. It's like made by the people that make Cinnamon Toast Crunch.
French life.
Oh, it smells good. It smells like maple syrup.
Incroyable. Tastes like little tiny French toasts. Say when. We're going all in.
Okay. Let's just do it with the black coffee first.
Are we crazy? Are we?
No. It's like sizzling. Actually, that's not too bad. Yeah. If you're really short of time in the morning, I guess you could just combine coffee and food together.
Down the hatch.
If you're really in a crunch.
Get it? If you're in a French toast crunch.
Usually I just wouldn't eat breakfast if I'm in that much of a rush, but you do you. Do you want to finish? You don't have to. I'm just asking if you want to.
Oh my.
He also finished the ramen. How are you feeling after that?
Get that little stipple off my chin. Definitely prefer that over the ramen.
I feel like your stomach's gonna hurt later.
Edit this part out. What are toilets?
What do you mean, what are
Like, are they like accessory? What do you call that? An appliance? I'm gonna feel bad for certain washroom appliances. Feel bad for my heart too.
So now we're gonna try same cereal with coffee plus creamer. Pour some of that in. Stir that up.
That looks nice. It smells good.
Yummy. That's good.
There's a high note to end on. Yeah.
That's even better than I imagined. It tastes like a donut. It's like having like donuts with coffee.
Actually, yeah.
That one can coffee.
You get a thumb up from me.
Yes. There you go. That's like if you want the taste of Tim Hortons in general.
Oh my.
Well, that was fun. What did we learn? You know what I learned? The ramen with coffee was not as bad as I thought it would be. It was still pretty bad, but it wasn't as bad. The cherry Jello with coffee was a little worse than I imagined. The cereal with black coffee was like okay, better than I expected, but the cereal with coffee and creamer nailed it. So good. Super yummy.
Get ready for that sugar crash.
What did you learn?
I love coffee. What do you guys think with coffee? Hit us up with some comments, and maybe we'll do it.
Thanks for watching. Hit that like and subscribe. I hate it when people say that, but I'm saying it. Have a great day, dudes.